The thing that is being done with data is not meant to be about an individual person. It's about understanding the demographics of the country or understanding human language. And yet, by gathering up so much data, these systems do, in fact, compromise privacy of individuals, and this individual data can sort of leak through these systems in really surprising ways. My work is on data privacy for data-driven systems like machine learning systems, AI systems, or statistical analysis of data. Two of the specific contexts or applications that I study the most are the United States Census Bureau, and I also work on machine learning and AI for large technology companies to train chatbots, train search engines, train autocorrect models, image classifiers, and a whole variety of things. And my goal is to make it possible to design these systems, make them work effectively without compromising the privacy of individuals who are contributing data to these different processes. This is a really important problem, both because privacy is an important social value in its own right. People are rightly concerned when information they felt belonged to them and was sensitive is leaked. It's also important for increasing trust and participation in these systems. If we don't protect privacy in these systems, people won't agree to contribute their data, and we won't be able to get the benefits that we could if people are willing to participate and feel that their data is being used in a trustworthy and transparent way. So an example I like to use is that chatbots are trained on text messages. And you're probably okay with using text messages to understand how language works and what a convincing response is to a prompt, but you wouldn't like it if the chatbot starts regurgitating your text messages. And what I work on are technologies that allow us to delineate that boundary between allowing uses of data for kind of statistical purposes while protecting data that you own. And I think if successful, it could really have a big impact on whether the rise of AI and other kind of data-driven decision-making is a force for good or bad in our lives.
Each one of these algorithms is going to average all of these.
Collaboration is one of the most important values at Corey. This gives me a chance to work with people who range from the theory of cryptography to privacy law and large-scale internet studies. My hope for the future in my research area is, first of all, that we just develop better technology. It's only really in the last 5 years that we've started to make a lot of the type of privacy technology I work on viable for real applications. And so we're at a really exciting time where I think the technology is becoming viable and it's continuing to be adopted more and more over time. So that's providing a really exciting wealth of questions to go and work on and try to help people who are going to use the technology now or sort of figure out what we can do for the next set of people who are going to adopt the technology.